Hello everyone. Now we will discuss about the question number 14.2 of oscillation chapter from NCERT. These are the question of exercise. So the question 40 point what it shows, uh, we are provided with some examples and we have to tell are these examples are periodic in motion or simple harmonic motion or both. They are showing both. So first of all, what is the periodic motion? Periodic motion is the motion which is repeated, which get repeated after a certain interval of time, after a fixed interval of time. And the simple harmonic motion. So first of all, we should aware about oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is to and fro motion which repeat itself after a certain interval of time, and the motion is about the mean position. Here the mean position, and the motion is maybe it a straight line or maybe it a circular. The motion which is to and fro around the mean position is called oscillatory motion, and the simplest oscillatory motion is simple harmonic motion. So let's come to the examples which are given, which we have to show that are these examples are periodic or simple harmonic motion or both. No. The simple harmonic motion will always be periodic motion, but it is not mandatory that periodic motion is also simple harmonic motion. And now with the first part A, that shows that we have to tell the rotation of earth about its axis. The rotation of earth about its axis. The earth is rotating about its own axis. So will this motion be simple harmonic motion? This is the motion in which is circular. This is not to and fro motion. So this motion will not be simple harmonic, but it is repeating its motion after a certain interval of time, after a fixed interval of time. So this motion will be periodic. So rotation of earth around its axis will show periodic motion but not simple harmonic motion. So now come to the second part. The second part, B part is the motion of oscillating mercury column in a U-tube. We are provided with a U-tube. It is filled with mercury. Okay. So we need to tell motion of oscillating mercury column in a U-tube. This mercury is oscillating. So we display its motion from one side. So it will move till here and it will displace to this level. Y here, and the displacement here is also Y. Will this motion be simple harmonic motion or periodic or both motion? When we displace this, it will come to the upward side till here, the fluid, and when we bring back this to the normal position or earlier position, the fluid will start oscillating. At first it will come to this side, then this side, this side, this side. It will be to and fro motion along its mean position. So it will show simple harmonic motion, and if it is simple harmonic motion, it is definitely periodic motion. Okay. So is it mandatory that the U-tube should be filled with mercury? No, it is not going to depend. If we take any liquid, it is not going to depend on the density of the liquid. If we take any liquid and we displace it from its initial position, it is going to show the simple harmonic motion. So now we move to the third part, which we have to show the motion. And the third part is motion of a ball bearing inside a smooth cardboard when released from a point slightly above the lowermost one. There is a ball in a bowl. If we displace it a bit or it release from a upper position, the ball is released from here. The ball will start rotating here, here, here in this manner, and it is rotating to and fro along this mean position. So it will show simple harmonic motion. So if it is simple harmonic, it will be periodic motion. So now let's move to the fourth part. D part, of which we have to show the motion. General vibration of a polyatomic molecule about its equilibrium position. We have a polyatomic molecule. Polyatomic molecules means more than 3 atoms are there. So we need to tell that around its equilibrium position there will be periodic motion or simple harmonic motion. We take any particle. There are certain vibrations, certain fixed vibrations of a polyatomic molecule. The vibrations are, maybe this position is fixed and the molecule which are at the sides, it may be take CO2, here is carbon and the oxygen are there, they may oscillate in this manner. This will come to this and then here, and our middle atom will remain fixed, and this element, this oxygen will also start oscillating. So will this be simple harmonic motion? No, this will not be simple harmonic motion. This atom only showing simple harmonic motion, and it is also not showing around the mean position, that is this element, this atom, and this is also oscillating to and fro. This element showing simple harmonic motion just for itself. For the whole polyatomic molecule, this is the mean position and they are not oscillating to and fro along this position. So this is also showing simple harmonic motion, this is also showing simple harmonic motion individually, but at a whole, as a polyatomic molecule, they are not oscillating around a mean position. So both are showing periodic motions. So our polyatomic molecule will show only periodic motions. The individual simple harmonic motions, the superposition of those will show only periodic motion. So the vibrations of a polyatomic molecule will show periodic motion, not the simple harmonic motion. Periodic motion only, not the simple harmonic motion. The molecule may be in angular form. One molecule is here, one is here, one polyatomic, at least 3 atoms. So these may rotate from here to here, then back again here to here, but they are only oscillating around their mean position, not the position of this center atom, mean position which is here. They are not oscillating to and fro along the mean position. They are individually showing the simple harmonic motion. The motion will be periodic. So we are finished with the second question.